In this video, I will show you how to fix OBS disconnecting while streaming to Kick. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. For best streaming experience, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi as it provides a more reliable connection. Next, open your web browser and go to kick.com and sign into your account. Now click on the profile icon. From here, select Creator Dashboard. Then go to Channel and find your stream URL and stream key. Copy both the stream URL and stream key and then open OBS. Now go to Stream Settings. Make sure you have pasted the correct stream URL and stream key. If your stream key has changed, using an old one can cause frequent disconnections. If the issue continues, lower your streaming bitrate. For example, if you're streaming at 4500 or 5000 kbps, try reducing it to a lower value that better matches your internet upload speed. Next, in OBS, set the server to automatic and enable dynamic bitrate if the option is available. This allows OBS to adjust the bitrate during network fluctuation and helps prevent disconnection. After making these changes, restart OBS and start your stream again. If you're still experiencing disconnects, update OBS to the latest version, close any other applications that you're using, and test your upload speed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.